Hi guys, we're here in the...
I thought you were speaking up.
We're here in the garderobe or walk-in closet. So this one here is done, but of course not the...
Should I be quiet?
Of course not the...
Oh.
Oops. Not the window, but we still need to change the window. But here we're gonna put the walk-in closet tomorrow here. And now we're putting the, what's called, list?
Floor list.
Floor list. There. Okay. Focus here. Like this, guys. This is how you did it. Like long strokes, as hubby said at the back of the camera. He said this is to seal the dark color from getting into the white color here at the ceiling. It's already done, so I will wait for 10 minutes for it to dry, and then I will start painting this one with the dark colors. Just like that. Just click it there. Done. Done. So have you already bought the wardrobe or the walk-in closet? So this one here, this, and he will gonna put it there in that room. Can you say hi?
Hi, hi.
Oh, there, that room there. So he said that it was so heavy and he got injury in carrying that. How heavy it is?
The big package is 50 kilo.
The big package, this one there. That is, he said it's 50 kilos. So 50, 50.
35. Next.
Oh yeah, because it's 75.
Because that is 60 deep.
Oh yeah.
This twice as heavy as the one that's 35.
He said he got injury.
No.
Oh, back pain. Oh, stuck, gosh.
It's like that when you're getting old. You should try that.
You're getting old now?
Yeah.
Oh, nice. How old are you then?
Too old to carry that.
So how much more that those guys carry the floors?
Yeah.
So there is the walk-in closet to be put in that side. There is the first layer. And we will see tomorrow what's the color in it when it's natural light. Uh-oh. Oops.
That's okay. Just put that tape there.
So guys, andito ako sa walk-in closet namin at lalagyan ako ng mga shelves. So ganito yung nagawa ko na. So ipapakita ko kung paano siya ilagay. So meron siyang ganito na screw. So yung So, ganito siya. So, ilagay mo siya dyan. Bilangin mo, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Para balance naman. So, ganito siya ilagay. Ilagay mo dyan. Tapos, i-press mo lang. Tapos, ito, dapat up yung ganyan. Tapos, meron siyang 4 na, ganito. Ganyan. Dito, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Push lang siya dyan. Tapos guys, screw mo lang siya dito. Ito may siya, may screw. Wait.
So heavy. See the manual of what that is for.
Huh?
I need to see the manual.
Guys, today is what day today? February 19 at ginagawa namin is this wall. We were gonna paint this with dark color named Ushlo from Yutun, and I'm still waiting for the paint to dry. Yung white sa gilid. Kasi, I already explained before, we put white paint after we put the tape para hindi yung mag-leak yung dark color sa ilalim. Hindi siya mag-leak. So, nag-start na ako dito sa this side para sa sa corner niya. Kasi, this wall here until this part will be dark color. And the rest is white. So guys, this window here will be changed, and dumating na yung window kahapon. So we're just gonna do it after maybe when everything is done, because since it's not hindi pang madalian yung window, since may window naman kami, so we can still use that one. And here,
Hi.
and there are some stuffs. There is kukunin namin yan at i-transfer sa mga cabinets. And there, mga stuffs. Doing now, sir?
We're painting our light list thingy.
Light list
Up
is... Oh yeah, that one there. That list there. There. Other side. Like that. We're gonna paint with that one, white. And guys, it's not a wood, it's a, is it styrofoam?
Yeah.
It's a styrofoam, and because it costs a lot and it takes a lot of time if we're gonna build wood in that part, so it's much easier. I'm doing here is I'm painting the enggang sporty, or what is enggang sporty, my love? Entrance. Oh my god, my English. I'm painting here the side, and the color of this is Deco Blue from Uton. So I'm gonna start painting now with this. There, we have the light there. So that one from there until on the other side, where the blue or that mark, what is dark green. So we will see how it looks like after. So guys, today we are painting this wall here with the color, what's the color? Soft teal. So I already started in that way because I forgot to vlog, and this. And hubby there is installing the appliances that came today. That's the fridge, the freezer, and the oven.